How's it going, everyone? Just going to do a quick unboxing here of a very special to me Olight Arkfeld Ultra. And I'll use my copper Freeze 2 from O-Knife to slice this bad boy open. Never cut towards yourself. And this won't be special to everyone, but it will be special to me. Sometimes I carefully peel these off, and sometimes I won't. A little tricky to open here. These are packaged very well, but this is what a regular Arkfeld Ultra looks like. This is a special one. Very, very special. And you'll see why in a moment. At least why it's special to me. Bada bing. Just thought I'd advertise my channel. And these come in lockout mode. You see the red light indicates lockout mode, so you just hold this down and it comes in, the moonlight is on. So then you just hold it down and it'll cycle through the different lights. Now these come with, if you push twice, it goes into the blinky mode, strobe, and you have to push 3 times to go into turbo mode, which is the very bright mode. So you change that by putting it into lockout mode, and then push the button 10 times and hold it down. Blinks twice, that tells you that the mode has changed. So now if we take it out of lockout mode, now when you push twice, it goes into turbo mode. You have to push 3 times to go into strobe. But anyway, there you have it. These come with a little coin, which I'm not going to bother taking out. But you can get these personalized straight from Olight, or if you know someone with a laser, you could always go there. Someone like Grizzle Bear Leather Crafting. Look him up on YouTube. But he does laser work. Mostly leather, but you could probably talk him into doing this, or plenty of others. Anyway, I hope everyone has a good day, and I will talk to you all later.